Hello and welcome to today's lesson. Today we will be learning about the letters A, B and C. They're the first three letters in our alphabet and we're going to have a look at some of the words that start with these letters. Okay, but let's get started first. Each letter has got an uppercase and a lowercase. Okay, and as I've taught my students in the class, they all know already, uppercase letter says the name. Lowercase letter makes the sound. Okay? So it is very important to know the difference between uppercase and lowercase. But remember, when you speak and use the English language, you are going to be using the sounds. So for me, it is more important for you to learn the lowercase letter because they make the sounds. They make up what is the English language. Okay? So let's get started first. Let me show you each letter. On the board you can see I've already written A, B, B, C, K. Alright? I've used the magic lines which help us determine the correct size and shape of each letter. Okay, so let's have a look quickly at the uppercase A. Uppercase A starts on the top line there, point number 1. And you're going to go down all the way to the bottom to point number 2. Okay? And you're going to go back to point number 1 and you're going to come all the way down to the bottom to point number 3. Okay? And then on your middle line here, you're just going to connect the two lines between point 4 and point 5. And there we have uppercase A. Alright? Lowercase a is a little bit easier. You're going to start at the middle line. There's point 1, just a little bit underneath the middle line. And you're going to make a big circle all the way to the bottom line. And back up again to point number 2 where you touch the middle line. And then you're going to bring it back straight down to the bottom to point number 3. Okay, A. Well done, well done. Let's look at letter B quickly. Okay, letter B is the second letter in the alphabet and not used as often as your letter A, but still a very important letter. So let's start. Letter B as well. Uppercase B starts at the top line and you draw a straight line all the way to the bottom there, point number 2. Okay, then you go back to point number 1 and you're going to make 2 big bubbles. See? Bubbles, you make bubble, 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 bubble. Okay, and you connect there at point number 3 and then you meet up at point number 2 again. So there you have it, your uppercase B. Okay, let's look at the lowercase b. Lowercase b makes the sound B, B. Okay, so let's do letter B. Also, starting at the point there, at the top there, point number 1, you're going to make a straight line all the way down to the bottom there. Okay, but this time you're not going to pick up your pen, so you're going to go all the way down, stop, then you're going to come back up again and you're going to touch the middle line as you make a big bubble. Makes a big circle and then you're going to stop there at number 3. Okay, so down and around. Okay, so there we have B, 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 B. Good job, good job. Let's quickly have a look at this side. We have letter C. Okay, letter C is one of the easier letters because it's a simple round motion that you're going to do. And there you can see uppercase and lowercase, they look very much the same. That's right. So, what sound does the letter C make? Can you tell me? Letter C makes the sound K, K, K. That's right. So let's quickly look how we write it. We're going to start at the top there by number, just underneath the line, by point number 1. And we're going to go around, all the way around. And we're going to make a roundy circle to stop. Can you see? So it's like a moon. Round, stop. Done. Easy, isn't it? That's right. Okay. Lowercase c is just as easy. We're going to start at that point there, number 1 in the middle. And we're going to make a round circle, round, almost full circle, and stop. There you have it. C-ka, C-ka. Okay, so let's look at those letters. A, B, C, ka. That's right. Okay. So now that we know what the letters look like and what they sound like, I'm going to show you some pictures for all 3 letters so you can listen how each sound is used. And I want you to listen and then repeat each word as I say it. Alright, let's see. Let's go to the first set of letters for letter A. Alright, so let's start. The first word we're looking at is airplane. Airplane. Say it for me. Airplane. Well done. The next picture is ambulance. Ambulance. Let me hear you say it. Well done. And the next one we have is ankle. Ankle. Alright, let me hear you say that word. Well done. Alright. The easiest A word you can find is apple. Apple. Big red apple. Let me hear you say it. Well done. And then we have actor. Actor. Can you hear that? Actor. I can hear you saying that word. Well done. And the last one is ant. Ant. Right. Short, sweet, ant. Good job. Good job. All right. Let's look at the B words. Are you ready? We have book. Book. Bear. Bear. Ball. Ball. And butterfly. Butterfly. And banana. Banana. Well done. And the last B word is bag. Bag. Can you hear the B sound every time you say the words? I know you can. Okay, the last set of words we're going to look at, are you ready? Is for letter C. And we start with car. Car. And then cat. Cat. And the next one is cow. Cow. And then we have cup. Cup. And the last one, oh, no, not the last one, cake. Cake. And here's our last one, cap. Cap. Good job, good job. All right, so remember, A, B, C is the first 3 letters of your alphabet. A, B, C, ka. Listen for the sounds and always remember, uppercase says the name. Lowercase makes the sound. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and share my page.